So what was your life like before you started trading?
It was crazy though. I was working in a Bet Niger
Shop.
shop. So you see how it's aligned with it, yeah. I made trading all my all. If it's not gonna be trading,
Nothing else.
nothing else.
When you started with that $5,000, did you actually lose everything?
I lost everything. I lost total of my beginners. I lost total of 40k, 50k. I also play game a lot. My favorite is Mortal Kombat.
Oh, when I come back.
But I've not seen anybody, even Ahmed, all of them, nobody can beat me.
What's the strategy you use?
My strategy,
Yeah.
Mr. Yudi strategy.
What's you started this strategy?
It's formed by Mr. Yudi.
Let's see. Can you show us? What's like the most amount of money you've made for a single trade? Today we are with Mr. Yudi. So we're going to get to find out who he is and what he actually does. But first, let's start with introduction. Who is Mr. Yudi? But what's the full name? What's the full meaning of Yudi?
Mr. Yudi came from, my full name is Udochukwu Prince Wakoba. So, yeah, Mr. Yudi came from Udochukwu.
From Udochukwu.
Yes. My father was the one that always called me that Yudi. So, I picked it up and I started using it from Mr. Yudi.
Yeah. So where are you from?
I'm from Abia State.
Most persons are quite aware that you trade gold, but I would like to know, is it just gold you trade, like don't you trade other currency pairs?
Yes, it's only gold that I trade.
Only gold?
Only gold.
What's your reason for that?
My reason for that, I'm kind of a person that if I choose one stuff, I just go with it. I don't like going for the crowd, like trading different pairs. Though before, when I started off, I was trading different pairs like GBP USD, LCA USD, which is good, and BTC USD.
Oh, BTC. Oh.
Yeah, but then I stopped. Then I just focused on gold.
Okay. Within what time did you stop?
I stopped trading other pairs. That was when I was in Cape Town. That was last 2 years.
Oh, 2 years ago.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
All right. So we know like your life recently, like we've seen some of the stuff you do online, but let's go back to memory, like how it all started. So what was your life like before you started trading?
My life before I started trading, it was crazy though. Yeah, my life was crazy, but it formed this path to my trading career now. Yeah, beginning was that was in Abia State, Omaha precisely. I was working in a Bet Niger shop. So you see how it's aligned with it. Yeah. So I was working there.
Okay.
So then how God made me to leave that place.
What year was that?
2017, 2018. Yeah.
Okay.
So I was working there. I was making money. Then I started playing for myself. So I was playing and I was working. So I was making money and I was losing money too.
Okay.
So that was how it started off then. So then I lost a lot of money that made me just quit the job. So I even despise anybody that tells me anything about
betting.
So I hated that. So moving on, the money I made from Bet Niger, a lot of money that I made from Bet Niger, I invested with it. I invested with a transportation company.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I did a lot of that. Was Enviable Transport here.
Back then in 2017?
Back then, so I was investing, yeah. So I wasn't investing in Enviable then. I was doing self-investment.
Okay.
So it's around 2021 or 2022 thereabout. I started investing in Enviable. But then I was doing self-investment whereby I buy kiki, motorcycle.
Yeah, you give it to
people to drive. You understand?
Okay. Yeah. Give return.
Yeah, so they give me return. So because of that, the wahala in it, so I stopped it. I opened a barbering salon.
Oh.
I owned this barbering salon that was here in Abuja.
Oh, you relocated?
Yeah, relocated in Abuja here. So having this hair salon, for you to have a hair salon, you must be cutting hairs for people. Yeah. You must know how to cut hairs.
Yeah.
Unless people will be cheating you and all about. So because of that, people working for me, they were not transparent. Yeah. So then there's one thing that happened to me I can remember. Yeah, that I can remember. I'm not good at telling stories though, so
Is that right?
so yeah. So one incident happened to me that landed me in the hospital for 1 good month.
Wow.
So when I was in the hospital, my shop I have a shop in Silverbed and also in somewhere in Lube. So my shops closed down because of my workers were stealing from me and they were fighting in the shop. Because of that, I just decided to close down the business. Already, someone has already told me about trading. When this guy told me about trading, he's my friend. So I was investing in him. So that's how I knew trading. I was investing in him. So when my shop closed down, so I just said, no, I can't take this anymore. The money I made from my shop and my motorcycle, I gathered it all and chose trading. So I made trading all my all. If it's not gonna be trading,
Nothing else. Wow. So what year did you start trading officially?
The year I started trading officially was 3 years ago. Yeah.
That was 2022.
Yes, 2022.
Okay. And you've actually achieved a lot for yourself within the past.
I'm a fast learner. That's one thing about me. I do my things so fast.
Wow,
but great. Trading, now let me give you experience about my trading. My trading was messy learning.
Okay.
You know, mentors telling me use demo account to start. You know, me, I don't have any other business now but trading. I didn't even listen to them. I was learning with my real money.
Wow.
And it wasn't like more like $100, $200. I started trading with $5,000, $10,000. That's what I started with.
Wow.
That was crazy then because I was losing a lot, you know, beginner's age.
Yeah.
So that helped me in learning it fast because I was trading with real money, not demo. You know, when you're learning with demo, your emotions are not attached to it. Yeah. True. So, but learning with real money, your everything will be attached to it. If any mistakes occurred, so with that, I was just trying to find out the best strategy that works. All the whole strategy in trading, I know them all. I know them all, but I just choose my strategy that works best for me.
When you started with that $5,000, did you actually lose everything?
I lost everything. I lost total of my beginners. I lost total of 40K, 50K thereabouts.
How did you get the money over time?
That time, I told you I had a saloon and also my returns and
for the
keke and cycle.
Wow. Within what period of time did the game actually changed for you, where you started making profit for yourself?
When it was a game change for me was when I traveled to, that was Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa. But it was a big change for me from South Africa that I came back home.
You met those South African guys that actually trade Forex?
No, I didn't meet anybody. No, I was about to meet someone, but he was not in Cape Town. He was on Joburg. I think you might know him, these twins.
Yeah, the twins.
Yeah, the twins. I'm supposed to meet him when he was in Cape Town, but when he's saying that he's going to come back to Cape Town, that was when I was leaving Cape Town.
Let's talk a little bit about the profit side of it.
Okay.
So in recent times, what's like the most amount of money you've made for a single trade?
I can't say that.
Can you give us a range?
I can only tell you the losses, but I can't tell you the profits.
What's the reason for that?
I don't like even my profit in a month. I've never in my life I'm someone that keeps things quiet. Even online. My friends used to say this, you can only know me how much I spend through my wife.
Oh, through your wife.
That's the only reason how you can know that this guy is spending a lot.
Yeah.
Because me, no, I don't do that shit.
Do you spend money on yourself?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't really spend money on myself. I don't really spend money on myself.
Okay, so let's talk about the profit and the losses. What's the most amount of loss you've taken in a single trade?
In a single trade? Yeah. Just one trade?
Yeah, one trade.
Sometimes I take $5,000, $4,000, $6,000 in a single trade.
Not bad.
All right, let me give you the range of my profits. My profits are always from 30K, 40K, 50K.
For a single trade.
No,
So if you're
end of the month.
oh, end of the month. So that's actually perfect.
Yeah, that's the range, but that's not the actual.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine actually. Aside from trading gold, what else do you do aside from trading gold?
I'm into real estate,
Okay.
and I still work with my tricycle company till date.
So that's enviable.
That's enviable. I also play game a lot.
Which game? Like
Yes.
what's your favorite? FIFA, like football or what?
No. My favorite is Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat.
But I've not seen anybody, even Ahmed, all of them. Nobody can beat me. They can only beat me on FIFA, but
On FIFA. Okay.
yes, but Mortal Kombat, yeah, they can't try it.
So if you can beat him, maybe you come to the comment section and tell
Yeah,
us
if you can beat me, you can come and we try.
Do you set targets for yourself?
Yes, a lot. I do that a lot.
So
That's why I don't trade. Like when I mentioned to you, I don't trade based on daily profit. I trade based on monthly profit.
So do you consider yourself more like a swing trader or
No, I'm a day trader.
Okay.
I accumulate my profits till it gets to 1 month.
or 2 months?
Yes.
Can you explain a bit about that?
That is funding 1st of May. Like example, 1st of May withdraw,
Okay.
end of the month.
What's the strategy you use?
My strategy,
Yeah.
Mr. Yudi strategy,
what's Mr. Eden's strategy?
is formed by Mr. Yudi.
Let's see. Can you show us?
Alright, it's just by like now you draw block, like you can see I'm just drawing block. Then you wait for market to respect your block. You buy or sell.
Or you buy or sell?
And
I totally understand actually.
yeah, so we wait for block and the trend. We always work with the trend. You know,
Okay.
it's best for gold. I believe gold works with trend. If you go against the trend,
It's gonna destroy you.
yeah, it destroy you. So it's mostly trend and your blocks.
We didn't even talk about like the learning phase of it. So what did you learn from?
I learned from a Nigerian guy. There is a okay, let me call the name of the strategy. That's the retail strategy.
Retail. Okay.
Yeah, I learned from a friend and a brother in Nigeria. Yeah, for retail strategy.
Okay.
But my main strategy was a white guy.
I can see a lot of books actually. So let's just
Okay.
look at. Seems like you read a lot of books.
Yeah. I do a lot of reading. Whenever my free times, I mostly read. I even have some new books I just collected. Wow.
How do you combine trading with all of this? I think this guy's in Nigeria, right? No. Okay,
No, it's not.
There's one Steven something, one guy that does YouTube videos and stuff like that. Oh, okay. Wow, nice collection actually. So aside from trading, what else do you do for fun?
Okay, what I do for fun? Play ball.
You play football?
Yeah, I play football. My brother is a footballer.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about that. My brother is a footballer. I also love bowling. My favorite is bowling. I bowl a lot.
Oh, no wonder he destroyed us.
Anytime I travel, any new location I go to,
Yeah,
I must find out.
you're the bow.
Yeah, they're both
Okay.
spot.
So as a newbie, I'm trying to start out trading.
Yeah.
Are you going to recommend that I start trading Forex, crypto, or like focus on gold? Which of them were you going to
No, you can't focus on gold as a
newbie?
Nah.
What's
you
your
can't
reason
do
for that?
The reason for that, there is a say about this gold, this Nigerian slangs that gold can take you home
Yeah.
or take you to America, any country you want. So
Sure.
as a newbie, why trading gold is going to mess up your trading psychologies. Yeah. So if you want to start up, you start up with all these currency pairs.
Pairs.
Yeah.
So like, let's say, can you give us a guide, like a strategy on how someone can start out? Let's say with no money at all.
With no money at all.
Yeah.
You can't start up
With no
trading
money.
with no money
So you
at
must.
all.
You must.
You
Okay.
must have
So,
money. I
so
don't
let's say
advise.
$100.
I don't advise. What's it called? I don't advise profit accounts.
You don't. Oh. What's the
I'm
reason
not-
for that?
Reason for that, I believe, just self-belief. I believe they are all scams. I've not traded with it. I will never trade with it.
Oh, really? So if you were to start out with $100, what's the strategy you would
If
like
you're
the steps you could actually recommend?
The best, me. I always like being recognized as the king of risk management.
Oh, okay.
So if you are starting off with your $100 account, you just hold risk management as your best friend. With that, you can grow it even while learning. If you can do that.
But since the money is very small,
yes.
if you apply a lot of risk management, most likely in a month you might not make up to like $200.
You're not doing that to make money. You're just doing that to learn as a newbie.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're doing that to learn, not to make money, rather than to start with your demo account. I don't advise you to start with demo accounts. I advise you to start with $100 accounts. If you mess your $100 accounts up, you fund again.
Start again.
Yes.
Okay, so let's talk about some of the things you like. At the cost of making money from trading, what is one of the biggest thing you purchased from profit you made from trading?
Biggest. Should I? I told you I don't like. I don't like saying what I have. Yeah, no. Can't do that. Can't do that.
Okay.
There's a lot of big, but to mention them is what I cannot.
No.
Okay, let me just use my car.
Your car.
Let me use my car. I bought it recently. That's the biggest online.
It's the biggest online.
Yes.
Okay.
Online, yes.
It's all right. If someone wants to start out trading right now, how can they learn? Do you actually teach people?
Yes, I will actually own an academy.
Oh, okay.
Mr.
Yudi Academy.
No, I have. For now, it's an online academy, and my physical academy is just private. It's a private mentorship.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so people come book me for a private mentorship. Then,
if someone wants to access it, how does the person do that?
You can use my Telegram link on my Instagram or TikTok.
Okay, I'm gonna leave the link to that.
Yes.
In the comment section.
Also, you can use www.mryudiforest.com.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So what's going to be your final words to Forex traders, especially the ones that are really, really struggling, that feel like Forex is a scam and they're yet to make money? What's going to be your final words to them?
My final words to them is to keep trading, keep failing. One day you will start winning. That's how it goes. Unless you quit. When you quit, that's when you're a failure. But when you keep trying, be that failure till you start actually making money, or it starts actually making sense. So my advice to you all, especially the beginners, is to always stick with your risk management. That's your best friend. In trading, your risk management is your best friend. Then greed is your enemy. This risk management your best friend, then greed your enemy. So with these two, you should know your best friend and your enemy, and don't follow your enemy, follow your best friend.
All right, so thank you so much for having me on this interview. I really appreciate your time. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel right away.
Always follow for more.
Yeah, always follow actually. And if there's someone you want me to bring up on this channel, I actually traveled down to Abuja just to do all of this. And if there's someone you want me to bring up on the channel, also write in the comment section, and I'm going to reach out to the person and bring the person to this channel. And that will be all for now. Bye.